Okay. Thank you for being so patient. My goodness, you are so patient. You got some really bad pen feathers, darling. Yes, I know. Mommy's trying to help, but you get grumpy. When I poke or whatever, kinda hurts. You get so grumpy. Yes, I do. I know. I'm trying to help with the pen feathers. My poor baby. My poor little girl. Yeah. Wee. You're being so good. Yes, you are. You're being a good girl. You ate some veggies this morning. You got some carrot on your mouth. No. I'm sorry if I hurt you. I know I would never, ever hurt you. Never hurt you on purpose. You know that. If you didn't know that, you wouldn't still be laying in my hand, huh? Yeah. Yeah. You're being such a good girl.